Hi guys, so today I want to take a look at it. I got that new controller for the toll station from South for the NS30 toll station. So here we go. This is how it looks. Okay, so it's the H6 Plus. As you can see, it has a radio port here. Oh, here is the antenna. Very cute one, little one, perfect, because it's for the radio connection with the toll station. Also in the box, so let's see what's underneath here. Oh, just the charger, of course. Guys, wrong charger. I mean North America, but that's a regular USB to USB-C cable, so that's okay. Yeah, it's pretty heavy. Here is the SIM card port and another USB-C. I assume that's for the charging. Yeah, there is no other one. So very quick install here. There is actually two ports there. I wonder what are these, whether it can take two SIM cards or one is just for the memory. Camera, pretty heavy, but good. Heavy means rugged. Let's see if we can start it up here. Oh yeah, there we go. Let me put this sucker in here. Right, we want to allow everything. And now what I want to go is, okay, so I do have the new one, but I want to go to unit set and I want to see distance unit, and it's fractional feet. So had been, I don't know if you guys can see it. If not, I'll take a video. Fractional feet, so your actual stuff, it's gonna be shown in fractional feet, which is becoming very popular here in Canada and the US, of course. So hope you enjoyed it. The next thing is to unpack the toll station and take it for a spin. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.